but right now it's quite easy. So you just move up, right? You have to hold the handle and then just go up to the upper deck. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for a home renovation journey. So today I'm going to show you this recently completed studio apartment in Manila, BGC. So I just completed and I'm going to list it out through Airbnb. Okay, so let me just show you what I have designed. Okay, because this is something different. You have never seen it, or you will never see it in a studio apartment setup. Okay, so let's come take a look. So as you can see here, I have I think the main focal point will be this double deck capsule bed. I call it capsule bed because it's a small space. So I have managed to carve out 4 beds, okay, in this 36 square meter studio apartment. Okay, so there's the lower deck and the upper deck. So you can see the lower deck here, there are actually 2 single size bed, okay, that joins together and form king size. Okay, so for parents, they can actually bring their 2 kids, right, and their 2 kids will be sleeping up on the higher deck. Okay, so this one, if you are 4 friends, okay, 4 friends, you want to sleep separately, this one can actually be moved. Okay, so this mattress, you can actually pull it out. Then put it like that. So same for this. Okay, so now it becomes 4 separate single bed. Okay, so if 4 friends want to sleep separately, then this will be the configuration. So there is this recess area at the bottom. So this recess area basically is for the luggage. Okay, so you can slot in the luggage. You can even slot in your biggest luggage because I've catered quite a good height here. So all the way, this one for the luggage because 4 of you, so you all might have your own luggages. And climbing up here is quite simple. Okay, because initially we didn't install this handle, so it was a bit difficult. But right now it's quite easy. So you just move up, right? You have to hold the handle and then just go up to the upper deck. Okay, so how to come down? Coming down, you don't face down because that's dangerous. Okay, so what you do is you just go this way, still face inside, and then come down. So it's quite easy. Right, and what you see inside is there's some nice night lighting. Okay, there's a small spotlight for you to view your phone at night. Okay, so you don't disturb others. There's also a storage side table at the side. Okay, with a digital door lock or drawer lock. Okay, and then this will be the dining area. Okay, because I've raised up this part here. This is for our storage. But I make this into like a cozy corner. So I raise it up and becomes a dining area. So 4 of you can actually just mingle around here and have your meals. Okay. And over this side here, so if you see here, there's more hanging. These are the cactus hanging. And over this side here, there'll be more hanging also. Right, this is like a proper wardrobe hanging space for you guys. Over here. So at the TV area, right, just a simple TV latch. Okay, there are some storage, but I've printed out this big image. Right, it's called "Welcome to Space Capsule B&B." Right, why space? Because I thought it's an interesting theme to go along with the capsule bed. Okay, and then I also have some astronaut figurine hanging on the wall. Okay, so I thought it's quite interesting that way. Okay, overall you can see that the lightings are just some simple spot lighting, and then at night you can turn on the ambience light on the top, right, those are the cove lights. Okay, so individual bed will have their LED strip at the far end. Okay, and then the down lights individually you can control. Of course, there's a power socket at the side table there, so each of you all can use it. And of course, there's some more hanging here. Okay, not to forget, this cactus are also for hanging. I think this one I featured the last time, my first apartment. So I also had that for the first apartment. Okay, and over here is the original kitchen cabinet. We kept it because we thought that the color matches quite well with the wood that I'm going to propose. Okay, so we kept the entire kitchen cabinet. Of course, you can see that this is just one row and there's no place for fridge and oven. That's why I carve out this niche here to slot in fridge and of course oven. Okay, these are just some storage on top. Okay, let me just show you the bathroom. So for this bathroom, very straightforward, right? There's a vanity, WC, and the astronaut sitting on maybe a WC. Okay, because you can see that there's some fume coming out from his backside. Okay, and of course there's a shower area with shower set. Okay, so it's a very basic bathroom, but it has everything for 4 of you. Okay, so for you guys who are planning to come Manila BGC, okay, please contact me because this is listed in Airbnb, and anyone who comes to me and tell me that you all watch this video from my YouTube channel, Interior Design with Rae, will get a special discount. Okay, so I hope to hear your comments regarding this design idea. I can say this is the first of a kind in BGC, okay, converting a studio apartment into a 4 beds double deck Airbnb unit. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel. Continue to watch all my other videos, and I'll see you soon in my next video.